What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am back with a DIY project and I'll be showing you how I made these super cute designer candles. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell link, share, comment, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and get started. So the items you'll need for this project are pillar candles, which I got these from Walmart. You're going to need some wax paper. You need to pull out your blow dryer, some white tissue paper, which of course you can find this at the Dollar Tree, some computer paper, a pair of scissors, and last but not least, some tape. So the first step is to go onto Google and find the designer logos that you want. So just type in designer logos and there are going to be so many logos that pop up. So you want to just choose the one that you like. And for these particular candles, you'll see I went with the Chanel logo and I also went with the Gucci logo. So once you found the logos that you want to save the photo onto your computer. That way it'll be easy for you to print out. Now you want to open up a blank document to paste your photos onto so you can print. So I'm going to open up Finder and literally just drag and drop the logos onto the blank document. You want to repeat the same step for the logos that you're going to be printing. And you can adjust the size as well to make it if you want them smaller or if you want them larger. Now guys, it is finally time to print the logo. So take your tissue paper, line it up with the computer paper, and you want to cut out that shape. Your cutting skills does not have to be perfect because mine definitely wasn't the best. But once you've done that, you want to tape the tissue paper onto the computer paper. In the end, we want the logo to be printed onto that tissue paper. Okay, once you've printed your logos, it's time to cut them out and transfer them to the candle. You'll want to cut as close to the logo as possible. Okay, now take your first logo and place it in the middle of the candle. Make sure it's centered and not crooked. Then, grab your wax paper and take a small piece to cover the candle. Make sure you grab the back of the wax paper pretty tight. Grab your blow dryer, turn it on high, and point the dryer towards the logo. You'll start to see it darken and bubble up a little. But y'all, be really careful because it could get really hot. Once you notice the logo is dark black, go ahead and slowly remove the wax paper. Smooth out any wax as needed and repeat the same steps for your other candles. Alright, you guys, this is going to wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!